G'day guys, welcome to a episode of Top to Bottom Fishing. Today we're out for the weekend up river system in the Murray-Darling Basin, and we're going to be chasing a few cod and hopefully some yellers if they come about. But yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the episode.
You got to wind in hard when casting downstream.
It's a sick root ball. Whoa!
Oh my god, that cast a mile.
That went a mile, dude. Are you over the top?
Yep, 100%.
Wait until we get there. There's a nice big log under here. We're gonna go dunk on top of that. You got no rods sticking out?
You want to pull up somewhere?
Just up here, I reckon.
Hey,
Up here.
up a bit further.
Yeah. You skipping off the water.
This thing's nice, man. Oh, got him!
You did too. Good catch.
Right
Well done.
there, right there.
Well done.
AC, woo-hoo-hoo!
What did I tell you?
Right, we'll hook up here, or your rod tip is bad spot.
Nice fish, man.
Right,
Nice fish.
drag that out. I can't believe we got one so early.
What were you worried about?
Because I've never caught one on a lure.
You ain't been fishing with me.
I've never been cod fishing either.
Beautiful fish. You got. You can put that glove on if you want.
Is that a lefty?
Yep. I'll spin him round for you. Beautiful fish. Good to go when you are. Off he goes. Yeah, boy. Woo!
You're throwing it at the base of that.
again. Righto, so we're just coming into prime time now. We have drifted a fair way down this creek. Aaron's picked up his first one on lure. Now he's throwing the big tremor around. Sounds like a 747 coming into land. Oh, done it. Yeah. Alright, we got to go get that one now. Alright, prime time. I'm throwing the duck hunchback. Aaron's throwing the is it Corella or Cockatoo? Cockatoo tremor. And yeah, this is the waterway. And yeah, earlier on we picked up, or Aaron picked up a 54 on an AC, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yep, on an AC. So shout out to Anthony, AC Lures, doing the damage in this little waterway. As you can see, we got a lot of timber. And it's been a fun time. Yeah. Alright, prime time. Let's get casting. You on a log?
That's a good spot.
Keep going around the corner. Whoa. Crack a sunset. I think it's going to get pretty shallow through there, eh?
Oh,
It's going to get pretty shallow through there.
we're going to have to go that side too.
Oh, yes. Paddle.
Paddle behind it. Double gap.
We're gonna have to go under.
Double gap.
Going under. All your rods in?
Yep.
Sunset. So good. Through there, I reckon.
That way.
Yeah. Yeah, through there. Alrighty.
The other batteries.
Yeah, I'll grab them in a minute. Day 2, or morning of our first morning. Oh, where is the light? Here it is. It is currently 5. Is it 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 a.m. We just made our coffees for the morning. We're gonna poke up river, and then we'll let it settle for about half an hour. Hopefully right on daybreak. Flick some top waters this morning, and see if we can pick up our second cod. Aaron got a nice little one yesterday, which was good, straight off the bat, second corner in.
That's it.
But yeah, slept like shit. I don't know why. Did you sleep all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't sleep too good.
No swearing, Dan.
Yeah, I know. No swearing. Anyway,
Let's get into it.
we'll have our coffees, and we're gonna, get stuck into it. Poke up river. There's heaps of timber. So many timbers. We went possum hunting so much yesterday. Well, I did.
Yeah, only a couple of us did.
Yeah, I went possum hunting. Had a couple of wayward casts. That's to be expected. Anyway, next little section of video will be daybreak and surface lure time. See you out there. We are. Good start to your day. Oh, on. Yep.
Yes.
Oh, I got him too. That was a good bite. That was almost surface, man. That hit.
Was that on a diver?
Yep. That hit like right on the top. It's only a little bubba. Oh, get out of there. It's only a little one. That's a good little fish. Nice little cod.
Oh, at least you got one.
Got one now.
He's on.
Look at that little baby. That was a good bite. I just put it out on that log there.
Yeah, he was sitting there.
He was sitting there on the end. Good bite. Oh, come here, buddy. Beautiful little fish.
I got your work one.
Yep. Good.
Right.
Oh, hang on.
What's your rod?
Yeah, I'm just, I'm in free spool.
Turn him a bit to me. Open his mouth up.
Alright, you got your pliers? Oh. Thanks, mate. Oh.
And he's off.
It's not the release I was going for.
That's not the one he wanted, but the old diver got him.
The old diver, AC diver.
Oh.
Good one. Little one. Nice one. Woohoo! Cod sniper.
Got him.
Gets the job done. Just grab your line and free spool.
Hey buddy, stop wrapping yourself up.
Yeah. Nice fish. The teeth aren't too bad at this size.
Aren't they?
No.
Yummy.
Just free spool yourself.
Yeah,
And grab
once I
the
get 'em
grab
out,
the
once I
line.
get something
Yeah.
in.
He's only a little fella.
Yummy.
Just lift him. He'll be right. Go under his belly.
I want to grab him. I'm going to catch him. I've got to get him in the mouth.
He won't open.
Oh, you're not going to.
Just belly grab him. Got him. Nice.
Open up. Skadoosh.
Just gonna have to push. I love its little skip. Oh no.
That was not. Okay.
Very shallow there. Spot A. Now it's fouled. Put yours in there. Put yours in there. Oh, not that far in there. That's the spot. If that does not get eaten.
Apparently not.
Crazy. It's going to put. Oh, got him. Yep. Yes. It's a pretty good one. Yep. Better than what we've been seeing.
Oh yes. Good one.
Oh no. He's on a log. Oh, he's gone. Oh well.
It would have been similar to the first one.
Yeah.
It would have been a touch over.
He was a good one.
He was close.
Whew.
That was right in there too, eh?
Yep.
You got to be on the nose.
Yep. That was
How
good.
far had you started cranking?
No, I was halfway back. I was about this tree.
So he was following it.
Yeah. Well, that's the end of the morning sesh. We've been contemplating what the weather's going to do, so we're heading back to camp now. Picked up 3 fish this morning. Yeah, we got 3, eh? 3.
3, yeah.
Yeah. 3 fish this morning. Not overly huge, but we did get them. Yeah, so now we're going to cruise back, have some lunch, cook up a feed, and pack camp up, and then we're going to see what the weather's doing. Doesn't look like it now, but yeah, we could be in trouble if it rains.
in to see what food's around.
Yeah, I think so.
He's definitely catchable.
He'd definitely tear you apart too.
Yeah, you can do it with a towel.
Awesome. Alrighty, we're on our way back into town. Got the boat on because poor old Aaron has dropped a spring out of his car. Dropped the U-bolt out of the suspension, so we've taped it up. We've used straps and stuff to get it up. Now we just got to crawl back into town. We're on a good drive. We're about an hour out of town, but yeah, this one's going to take a while. Anyway, that's the end of the trip, unfortunately. I hope you guys do like it. There'll be plenty more to come with a little bit more organisation, but yeah, no. Thanks for watching, and we'll do it all again soon. Cheers.